It is the evening of June 7. I thought I'd give us a status update. So I have gotten most of the siding done. The wall up top, which doesn't have any Tyvek on it, I need to build a door for Grants Pass. That's the exit of Grants Pass, which takes me to the flat part of our home, out the roof flat part. This is the outside of the mechanical room. There are still a number of little issues that need to be resolved before I can build this wall. At the end of this past week, I finished all of the siding and all of the soffit on the top popped up area. If you notice the white wall that you see in front, it's been caulked and the first coat of prime is in place. That still needs to be done on the wall with all the windows and the one immediately behind it, which you don't see at the moment. But downstairs, other than this wall right here, just about everything has been, at least has 2 coats of finish now. Not the actual trim itself, and not the ceiling or soffit area that you see yet. This soffit still has to be finished, but it can't really be finished until I'm done running all my wire. This was done about a week ago, and it's one of the first soffit areas that is completed. So garage still needs a couple places that need to have some touch-up work done, and I'm just starting to work on the soffit in the truck port, but I can't do the center of it until all the wire is pulled and I figured out how I'm going to put the lift system for the tracks that are going to run right through the middle of the car. Actually, not through the middle. It'll be in line with where we are right here. I'll have a set of train tracks that comes through here. So lots of soffit that needs to be done here. But as I said, the bottom is almost complete from a siding point of view. So something I didn't mention is today was a floodlight day, meaning, I don't know if you want to call them emergency lights. We have general outdoor lighting, but this is, these are, I guess they call them house lights. When you're ready, if you got a security issue, I'll point some of them out. Here's a security light. As well here. I actually installed 11 of them today. Even way up top, there's another security light. So these floodlights were installed today. 11 sets of them. So it's just a pretty good idea of where we are at the moment. I need to start addressing my solar situation, meaning that I have standoffs, but I don't have any solar yet. And the back wall, I figure it's gonna have, I still haven't chosen as an interim what I'm gonna do with this back wall. Meaning it's ready for a 10-foot wide sliding glass door or a pair of French doors. But I don't know, since it's gonna be out swing, actually since I'm gonna have the doors in swinging, and since the height of the ceiling on the old part of the house is not yet 9+ feet, we will not have, I don't think we're going to do our window installation until we are finished. So this is the breezeway from the backside. Kind of gives us a nice view, and I think I'll give us one more view from the back. This, anyway, I do a lot of my trim work. Anything that I've got to do ripping, I use my old crappy table saw, since my new one needs a pad to put on, but I've got to dice this up sometime soon. It's a fair amount. This is all the trim that I've had to, I guess, cut up. All the soffit work that goes in requires a fair amount of detailed work. There it is, and we need to find a new home for the coop. That's it for today.